All right, I think we're on. Welcome to another another session. Last week I worked on this thing called ClamoIQ, which is like a meetings product. Today I'll be spending some more time basically going through that. Since we last chatted, I made some small changes, or maybe big changes. Since that session, today we'll hopefully add some more incremental features here on this today. I think the biggest thing that I would like to maybe spend some time on is to add some AI features to the product to sort of make it easier to use. We'll use Cursor, we'll use Claude and Codex, and we'll sort of spend some time continuing to sort of riff on the product and make it better. This may be a bit of a short one today, just in the interest of time, so we'll see sort of how far we get with this. All right, with that, I'm going to jump over to my desk quickly. So let's. All right, so let's pull this up so you can sort of see where we got to from last time. All right, where is, check you can see this. All right. All right, so since last time we actually added an Electron app, so this is native, or more, should be more native. If I can actually move things around. Don't know how to move it. But I'll probably just show you on the screen instead. So I think since the last time we gave a demo of this, well, things have changed. So still have this room. Most of the magic is in here now. So last week, if you remember, we actually spent some more time on the adding recording in here. And you can see that we've added now closed captions in here too. They're a little bit delayed, but they're still pretty good. You can also see the transcript in here. Which I really like, so we'll be able to use this hopefully for what we want to do today. All right, with that, let's go ahead and close this and start some work on adding our feature. All right, nope. All right. And we're going to actually use Claude to hopefully help us do this. So Claude added this. These new native features, which is pretty cool. I'm going to actually merge the git add dot git commit and adding Electron. Git checkout. All my commits. Git checkout main. Git cherry pick. Yeah, so that's added the Electron build. So you can see it because I can't figure out how to draw it, but how to run desktop loads on my other screen, which is right here. but I don't know how to move it. Actually, I should probably fix that first. Alright, the electron. Let's see what it can you help me? So basically going ahead and trying to fix the electron app right now. So this is going to make some changes in our desktop. What is source? No, it's in here. All right, this has killed it. I don't know if this is actually going to work. I think it's trying to do too much, to be honest. Let's turn off the sandbox. Oh, now it's movable. Oh, so this is what I was talking about. So this is the application. I can log in and do all the stuff that I was doing before. I probably need a better way to do auth here, but it's nice to have like a single application to do this. All right. So with that, let's close this, start a new one. Okay. Can I insert images in here? So we have this right now that's set up, and I don't love all the buttons, but we'll figure that out soon. But you can I can talk in here, and then eventually the transcript will appear on this right side. And what I'd like to do is add the ability so you can ask questions about what was said in the meeting in here. So it takes the transcript and adds a new feature. So I need to write this out. Okay. Can you take the meeting? Let's add a new feature called actually, let's come up with some names. That'll be fun. Okay. Stop this. We'll use Opus. We'll go ask it some questions. Okay, come up with some names for an AI product inside Clamo.ai. A meeting product. Folks will be able to ask questions against the meeting contents. ClamoIQ. I like this. Okay. Yeah, it's gonna be like a paid add-on feature called ClamoIQ that allows users to reading transcript, create, make, add another. There's probably some better ways I could do this actually. Called ClamoIQ meeting, similar to the, what is it called? New room, join. Similar to the transcript button, and button add on the button to the button to the similar to the transcript button, and allow the user to ask questions. We should use the OpenAI to take this in and provide the ability to ask questions and show responses, so you are having a conversation with ClamoIQ. All right, we'll let that cook for a little bit, and while it does that, let's, don't know why it thinks I'm speaking in French. Someone was telling me that Airbnb have some new logos, so let's go look at those. Apparently they're super cool. Oh wow, that is sick. Yeah, I want some logos like this. Okay. What are they called? Isometric or something? All right, so I'm not actually booking a holiday. I'm just, you can see this thing is cooking right next to us. We're gonna let this go, and then we're gonna focus on these Airbnb logos. I don't know how to describe them. Isometric? Is that the best way to describe these? The animation is super cool. They did an SVG too. No, it's like a video. What am I doing? Oh, it's super sick. As it like spins around. The logos are pretty sweet. Wow. Okay, so isometric style images. Okay, meaning stop. Let's see what it comes up with. Oh, I should have put meaning stop on. Let's try this one. Meaning, what am I not? Yeah, just finish. No. So I'm going to try and generate an image. We'll let that run. See what this is doing. So it's added a bunch of stuff to the rooms. Has this Clamo AI update the mobile view, mobile room view, and then test it. They also add in stuff to actually implement the OpenAI stuff. Let's find out. Let that run. Yes. Okay, so it's added these components up. components. Some messages. Does it use OpenAI? Oh, it's actually did something even smarter. It added an API for it. So there's an API called ClamoIQ, which should be in routes. It should be API ClamoIQ. Takes my OpenAI key. ClamoIQ request. This is chat completions, and it's using GPT-4 Turbo. Cool. Let's increase this. Cool, I think this will work. How this would actually lock with these. So we're in the meeting room. Get signed in. I don't know, I don't think it looks right there, but maybe it looks right on like my account. My account. I probably need to think about what the actual things are. There's a place I use called SVG repo that's kind of nice. So if I do account, well, I come up with some. So it's like a person. My account. Because he's come up with like nice things for these icons, but I don't know what I would use for like an account. Maybe I'll just ask. It's a good logo. What is a good icon? Go to my account. Profile icon. More real world items. Okay. So apparently this has been added. Okay, let's run it. Let's go here. New room. Join. No transcripts available yet, but hopefully as I talk, some transcripts show up. What is going on here? Okay, so it's picking up some stuff now. Oh. What was said about transcripts? Okay, that's not good. Let's try and fix this. Sorry, I have like so many debug logs on this. As I was trying to add the transcription service, I needed to like add in a ton of stuff in here. So I'm going to say, sorry, Clamo. Oh, wait, here we go. 500 error. Okay, let's try to fix that. But essentially what we should be able to do is ask questions against this transcript. there is some lag in the transcript generation because I'm going for high quality. And if I click on this, this is going to figure out what the problem is. Oh. Okay. I don't really love these icons, so that's another thing that I could probably try. A personal locker, like that. I'm not sure I love these icons, but we'll see. What we choose to do. Did this fix it? No, still working on it. Okay. Okay. Yeah, so we did some stuff basically to fix this. Last time we had a recording, which will work. We did last time. Last time we had a recording. This is what we did last time. All right, let's see what it did. Okay, so it didn't have the right model name. It's gonna spit something back. Let's check what model names we want to use. OpenAI models. Which one is the cheapest? Cost optimized 04 mini. Alright, let's now go join a meeting. Will this work? Alright, we'll have to say a bunch of stuff so that it shows up in the transcript. And then bad request. Unsupported parameter, max tokens is not supported. Hey, it looks like I'm like using an away OpenAI. We can probably use the OpenAI implementation here. I'm not sure why we're not using it. I don't know, JSON, it's kind of like less dependencies. So it doesn't like max tokens. Let's go look. OpenAI chat completion. For the chat completions, what parameter? much does it support? Let's just curl. Okay, tell me something useful on this page, please. Full list of available parameters. It's not that helpful. Okay, that's role user. Response. Max tokens was deprecated. Max completion tokens. All right. So you know, temperature. Okay. Where is this reference? Is it a value between? Is there a default? It's optional. Let's just get rid of it. Okay, that worked, but I got an error somewhere here. What was said in this meeting? Alright, cool, so it shows this and what was said. Okay, I want to clean up this button because I don't really like it. Can we clean up the ClamoIQ button so that it appears inside the text area? And the input resizes as you enter text. Should look like a Figma style product with the send button. Make it look beautiful. All right. So it's gonna go clean that up. At the same time, I'm gonna try and look to see if I can find a good IQ button or something that I can use. Intelligence. What comes up? Brain. A good one for this. Wow, still generating. Okay, let's use a different model. Let's use image gen. What is the image models? Let's use one of these. Highly detailed icon of a intelligent brain. What is interesting about this meeting? I wonder if I can stream the responses instead. Maybe that's for another day. It just says some stuff about what I've said. Alright. Let's remove this. And I'll redesign it. Let's just go. I'm trying to clean this up right now. And I might just end this at that point. Is there some work I gotta do? I don't love all these buttons either, there's just too many. So I might try and find these buttons. Raise hand. Raise. Are these the buttons? I think this is it. Let's see. Let's try and I just get rid of screen share. No, didn't get rid of it. This thing's just doing the same thing. New room. Join. Okay, let's get rid of some of these. Let's go ahead and get rid of some of these buttons. Still shows the bottom. I'm not sure why. How do I? That shows what the user is saying, so that's a good idea to. Isn't quite perfect right now, so let's comment this out. That's a good idea. And then that's commented out, so let's see the icons now of hot fade, show the video. This is. Where in the world would that be? Icon. Maybe I have to rebuild it. I'll ask it to do it once it's finished doing this. Where is this code? Yeah, here we go. Let's get rid of all of these icons. You can see who's in the room, so we can probably let's remove this. Something's wrong. Let's see error. One error handler. Look, I did anything. Let's see. Cool. So it looks pretty good. Let's remove the scroll bar from the text area. Sometimes the problem when you let it go loose is you don't really have all of the place. It doesn't all be wild. Oh, I fixed it. So we had chat too. I don't know why it's also there's some false positives in here. For the transcription. Okay. Let's refresh this and talk a little bit so that it's got some low. Sweet. You know what we're also going to do? We're also going to expose the. So this expands as I want it to. I kind of want to remove this text area. Let's refine this. What is the tailwind class to hide the scroll bar? What? So it tells me to install npm install something. Let's see what it does. WebKit. Hey, that's what's going to add. Let's see. Okay, so it's added these states to it apparently. Let's see if that worked. I'll have to reopen it. Something crashed. Oh. Alright, let's save this and try reloading it. Alright, we got it to load. Now it works as we want it to. Alright. Let's speed up transcription maybe. Actually, we'll save that for another day. Alright. Me. We've been going for. Alright, I think we're gonna call it down. That's a good 45 minutes. Let me jump back to my other side. One sec. Oh, all right. Let's change back the mic. Properties, mix property. All right. This is a fun one. We added some more features to our meeting product today. We added this feature called ClamoIQ, where you can like ask questions about the contents of a meeting. We do that in about 30 to 40 minutes. So, yeah, mostly the model just cooked, and we did some other stuff around it. I think this is showing sort of how far some of these models have come. That was Claude was using Claude Sonnet 4 or Claude Opus 4, which was released last week. So definitely have seen some progression in the models, but this was fun. If you're interested, check out the meeting product. Go try it. Clamo AI is the URL. You can just go straight to the website and use it. If you have other ideas, please let me know, and we'll keep trying to go on this for a while. This is sort of the second video of another one if you get into this, where last week we sort of preemptively set this up, and sort of in my spare time I'm sort of adding more stuff to try and add more to this project. With that, appreciate it. Thanks. Bye.